Abram here from Anything for Hockey. Today I'm going to be showing you how to tape your stick just like Sidney Crosby. Blade and knob. So his blade is black and he opens up the toe, but I'm going to go all the way to the toe just so that it saves the stick. On the knob, he uses white tape and just does the classic spiral. It got a head start. Make sure there's a knob in there and just tape a little bit around there just to make sure it doesn't pop out. We're going to start with the knob. So what you want to do first is just take a little piece of tape, put it on the top of the stick, and then do this and just twist it. Try to get it as skinny as you can, because if you look at pictures online of his stick, it's very skinny, very perfect. And he pretty much goes pretty far down. I'm probably going to go down to the C on CCM here, about where my thumb is. Just because he puts his hand there for face-offs, and I'm not a center for the league I'm playing in right now, but I usually am. So he likes to spread it out a little bit just so that his fingers perfectly fit in there. Okay, so once you come there, just unroll your tape a little bit, cut it off, and tape it on your stick just so it makes the curl secure. Now we're going to start taping. You just do natural tape, I guess. Just tape it around until you get to the bottom. Alright guys, so once you finish that, just try going around the stick and limiting bubbles, air bubbles, by just kind of taking your fingers, going along the threads, and just kind of going like that. Also, it doesn't matter what way you taped. If you started from down here, then you want to go this way. Otherwise, go up and try to push the tape down a little bit more. So I'm just going to go around, trying to limit those extra air bubbles. Okay, so once you have that done, then we're going to start working on the knob around here. So just take your tape, and he doesn't have a very big one, it's kind of small. So all you're going to do, take your tape, try to make it as good as you can, and just tape it around there a few times. Alright, that's about the size you want. Just push it down on the top and go around it just like this. Alright guys, I'm going to make a second video on how to tape your blade. Please be watching, subscribe, and like the video.